Since 2001, Restoration Community Church has been a beacon of hope for its community with fearless leadership. RCC has played its part in restoring many over the years. We have watched God use our leaders all over the vineyard, time after time, and they have focused on restoring, rebuilding, and encouraging everyone they have touched. Today, yes, this day marks a new day, a new beginning. Today, we dedicate our intentions to being a multiracial, multicultural body of believers who experience God, find community, and fulfill purpose. This is life. This is worship. This is Life Worship Center.
Pastor Jones, I mentioned to him very briefly when we first talked about there was going to be a change taking place. For 7-8 years, we were Restoration Community Church. And as a Restoration Church, there were lives that we spoke into, lives that needed some encouragement, lives that needed to be revised, life that needed healing, life that needed some directions. And for 8 years, we've done that. We prayed with people. We went into the hedges and the highways, and we thank God for our humble beginnings. But this day marks the change. You can only restore people for so long. There's become a point in time when you have to give them life. And so we are life. We are worship. We are Life Worship Center.
Yes.
As we cross over. Welcome to new life. This is our breakthrough. This is our breakthrough. We're right in the middle.